We are continuing to build our roulette table in Power Apps. So let's take a look, see what we have. All right. So if you've never played roulette before, I'm going to show you how this game works. So on a regular roulette table, you have numbers 0 through 36. On this version, we just have numbers 1 through 36. I left the 0 out. Okay? All the numbers are either in red or in black. You can see these are numbers 1 through 12, 13 through 24, and 25 through 36. Then we have numbers across at the top, numbers in the middle, and numbers at the bottom. We also can play 1 through 18, even or odd, and 19 through 36. Over here, I can set the amount that I want to play at. So I want to start off playing at $10. I already had 8, so now I have $18 to play with. Now I'm ready to place my bet. So I can enter the number of chips. So I need some chips to play roulette. So I'm going to play 1 chip. It's going to create, now it has a dollar chip because I haven't changed this. So let's say I want to play $5. So it's a $5 chip. I want to do a single number bet, meaning that I'm just going to pick a number between 1 and 36. So I'm 19, and I'm going to place my bet. Now notice what happens here when I press place a bet. That $5 is subtracted from the 18 that I had. Now I have $13. Over here is where I could set the time for the roulette machine to generate a random number. So after 10 seconds, it's going to generate a random winning number. All right, the winning number is 22. So I didn't win anything because I chose 19. You'll see the past winning numbers here, and you'll see a list of cold numbers that are generated. All the cold numbers are numbers that are not winning numbers. So please give me your feedback and tell me if there's anything that you want to see added to this roulette table. I'm going to put in some sound effects. Also, I'm going to add a spinner. When I press the timer, it will spin based on the number of seconds I set. I'm going to add music and a little bit of animation. So let me know in the comments or in the chat what else you'd like me to put in this roulette table. I'm going to show you some more things that I added. So the first time I made a bet was a single number bet. So let's try another one. Let's look at a double number bet, which is also called a split. So if I choose 4 or 5, that means that the chip is going to be placed between 4 and 5 on the roulette table. So I have $13 to spend to play with. I'm going to bet $5 again. I'm going to place my bet. So now I have $8 and I'm going to spin. All right, the winning number was 10. So again, I didn't win anything. Now I'm going to show you what happens if I were to win. Let me pick a larger area. Let's say 18. So 1 to 18, meaning that I will win if the number is between 1 and 18. So you see here, the number was 8, and I had $8. Now I have 10. Now I have $12. I want to show you how I was able to create the hot and cold numbers. So if we were to go to the timer button on the on in timer property, you'll see that the first thing it does is it creates a random number between 1 and 36 and puts that number in a collection called Roulette collection. All right. Then once it has that number, a collection called cold numbers. So if the winning number was, let's say, 5, it will take that 5 and exclude it from the cold numbers collection, because cold numbers are numbers that are not winning numbers. And down here we have where it is creating the hot numbers collection. So the hot numbers are generated from winning numbers that are in the winning numbers collection more than once. And then here are how I'm calculating the winnings. So if a single number bet is worth $35, a double number is $17, three number is $11, and so on. So again, this is my roulette collection of winning numbers, and overall this is the Roulette table in Power Apps. So please give me your feedback and like the video and share and subscribe.